Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel if you're new. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to make these stuffed mushrooms. Now these mushrooms are some larger ones, and we put some cheese inside of them, as well as some seasoning, and we garnished them on top with some shrimp. Now this is a really simple recipe, and it's a very delicious recipe as well. This is something that can be made in less than 25 minutes. So if you'd like to see how to make this, then please keep on watching. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before we get started. So once you've done that, let's get started. Alright, so first things first, we're going to start with some ingredients. So we used an array of seasonings, so some garlic powder, black pepper, parsley, salt, some onion powder, as well as some oregano. We also use mozzarella cheese. You're also going to need some olive oil, because olive oil goes really well with mushrooms, and some mushrooms, of course. So these mushrooms are some really large mushrooms. You can find these at your local grocery store, but the larger the better, just so that you could stuff more stuff inside of them. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the mushrooms. Now you want to make sure that you wash these very clean, because mushrooms tend to have some excess dirt on them. That's just part of the process when they're being harvested and things like that. So just be mindful of that to clean them thoroughly before use. We're then going to add in some olive oil on top. Then we're going to add some salt. You can eyeball all of the dry seasonings to as much or as little as you like. You're then going to add in some oregano, some black pepper, then some onion powder, some basil, and some garlic powder. Now once all of these are added, you're just going to mix this up. We're mixing them up with clean hands. You can use a spoon if you'd like, but the hands just kind of finish things up faster and more efficiently. Alright, so now we're going to plate them in a pan just so that we can have them ready to bake. So you're just going to put them down, and then you're going to take a handful of mozzarella cheese or any type of cheese that you really want to use, and you're just going to stuff them into each one of the mushrooms. Once you've done this, you're going to put it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we're moving on to the shrimp. So you're just going to take a little more of that olive oil, and you're going to take a brush of some sort, like a cooking brush, and you're just going to brush all of the olive oil around it, just to get that ready for when you're going to add the shrimp into the pan. Alright, so now we're just adding in our shrimp onto our pan. So this is just going to pan sear them almost, just so that they're cooked but not overcooked. So you want to keep an eye on how quickly the shrimp start to turn pink. So first we're going to add in the garlic powder. You're then going to add in some oregano. You're going to add some salt, some parsley, and you can add as much or as less of these ingredients as you'd like. You can also add in some black pepper, but this is optional because we already added a lot of black pepper onto the mushrooms already. So once you've added all of these, you're just going to let it pan sear for a little while, and then you'll want to add in some of the onion powder. And then you're going to want to flip these, just so that both sides are coated with the seasonings that you just added into the pan. And once they start to turn very pink, you want to take them off of the pan. Now that our mushrooms are ready, we're going to take them out of the oven, and this is what they should look like. You're then going to add the shrimp on top. Now you may be thinking, why did we not bake the shrimp with them? It's because it would have overcooked that way. So that's why we're just adding them on top. You can arrange them as you like. Alright, and that's the final recipe completed. This we plated with some kale around it, just to add some greenery, and it just adds a really nice vibrance to it. So this is the final recipe completed. It's very simple and easy, as you can see, and it looks very like gourmet and luxurious, and it tastes even better. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, comment down below what you thought of this video and other videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos every single week. We hope you guys have a fantastic week, and thanks for watching!